Welcome back to Mathusay Math 10 tutorial. In this episode, you will learn how to solve real-life problems involving arithmetic sequence. Let's begin. We know that the arithmetic sequence formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. We are going to use this formula in solving the following problems. Let's take example number 1. Annalisa saved 5 pesos on June 1, 13 pesos on June 2, 21 pesos on June 3, and so on until June 30. How much would she have saved by the end of the month? We know that Annalisa saved 5 pesos on the 1st of June. So, the first term is 5. The common difference is 8. D is equal to 8 because 13 minus 5 is 8. And n is 30 since we want to find how much will Annalisa save by the end of June 30. So, to solve this, we have the arithmetic sequence formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now, substituting these values, we have a sub 30 equals 5 plus 30 minus 1 times 8. 30 minus 1 is 29. So, we have 5 plus 29 times 8. Now, 29 times 8 is 232. Adding 232 with 5, you have 237. So, on June 30, Anna will save 237 pesos. Let's take another example. Example number 2. A restaurant has a square tables which seat 4 people. When 2 tables are placed together, 6 people can be seated. If 20 square tables are placed together to form one long table, how many people can be seated? Let's put this into perspective. In one table, 4 people can sit, right? While if you have 2 square tables combined, you have 6 people can be seated, no? So, we know that the first term in the sequence is 4. And the common difference is 2 since the first term in the sequence is 4 and the second term in the sequence is 6. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. And we're talking about 20 tables. So, n is 20. So, to solve this using the arithmetic sequence formula, we will substitute these values. So, we have a sub 20 equals 4 plus the quantity of 20 minus 1 times 2. We know that 20 minus 1 is 19. So, we have 4 plus 19 times 2. So, 19 times 2, we know that's 38. So, adding 38 to 4, we have 42. So, there are 42 people who could sit at 20 tables. Claro? Please pause the video and solve the following problems. If you're done, post your answers on the comment section. If you think Mathusay Math Tutorial helps you appreciate arithmetic sequence and its application in real life, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, ang sekreto para maging mathusay, matuto, at mag-ensayo. Watch the next episode on reality series and learn how to apply arithmetic series concepts in solving real-life problems. Bye!